Today, we are going to see how to install the Xampp version, which is used for installing Apache, PHP, Perl, MySQL servers. So let's get started. I have an Apache Xampp instance downloaded from xampp.com or xampp.org. So run this as an administrator. It will ask for permission. Click yes. Once the installation screen starts up, click next. It will ask you for the options to tick when you install Xampp. You should enable all the options to make the server run. By default, it will install in the C and C:/Xampp folder. You could click on browse and install it on a directory you wish to install. Click install and it will get installed. I have already have an Xampp instance installed in my system. So for you, after you install the installation, you will find Xampp folder in a C drive. Once you double click on it, you will find Apache, MySQL, Perl, PHP, and PHP MyAdmin, an application used for an user interface application for administering and monitoring database applications, and it is an easy interface for those who are not efficient with command line MySQL commands. So this is the directory in which we are going to work, and this is the default directory in which Apache server works. So let's see if the server works. Type in localhost. If you don't get this, it means that the server is not running. So first of all, we have to run the server. To run the server, double click on Xampp, start the web server. This is the MySQL server. You can also start this, but it's not necessary to start this, but I'll demonstrate it for you. Once both the servers are started, it will show a green screen, so you can close it now. Again, if you open the localhost slash, now if you type localhost, it will ask for the language in which you have to select, and English. So this is the default Xampp window, and the PHP MyAdmin application I showed you for MySQL is this one. So these are the default databases that are in MySQL, and I'll be discussing this about these databases and how to create database on MySQL and use PHP MyAdmin, and also in command line interface in another tutorial. Let me show you a sample script of how to run PHP. So let me create a new document, new file. So let me save it as save as. Choose the location in which the Xampp is installed. Inside the htdocs, create a new folder. The new folder represents your website. I will name it Dream Code. Inside, I'll create always use the extension .php for saving your PHP files. Save it. So this is the PHP tag. Always use the standard script tag for this. This is the default function which contains all the included and library files that PHP contains. So let me pass this in the browser. Slash. So the PHP info function displays the list of PHP libraries that are included within. So these are the various PHP libraries: Apache environment for the HTTP server to compile with the PHP, and these are HTTP header library things, and most of the core functions that are included here, and all the type of libraries can be included, including some of the latest things that peers are included in here. So encrypt is an encryption algorithm. So MySQL This contains all the functions and libraries for dealing with MySQL. MySQL Live and MySQL improved methods for PHP. So that's how it works, and you could just simply print out. Just click save, and in the browser, refresh it, and hello world. This is how this is the famous first script you type on when you learn a new language. And I'll be doing more tutorials on PHP and MySQL with both the command line and the interface things. Thank you very much for watching the tutorial.